In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate p-value in Google Sheets. You ran an experiment, but are the results actually statistically significant? Don't guess. Let's prove it with a p-value so you can tell whether the difference you're seeing is real or just random noise. Imagine you're A/B testing two website designs to see which one gets more clicks. You've got two groups of numbers, one for design A and one for design B. The p-value helps you answer a simple question. If there were really no difference between the designs, how likely is it that you'd see a gap this big just by chance? A small p-value means it's unlikely to be luck. Here's the quickest way to calculate it. In Google Sheets, make sure your two groups are in two columns with only numbers, no blanks or text in the ranges you'll select. Click an empty cell where you want the result to appear, and type the formula, T.TEST. Now, with your cursor inside the parentheses, click and drag to select your first group of data, type a comma, then select your second group. After that, type a comma and enter 2 for the tails argument. This tells Google Sheets to run a two-tailed test, which checks for any difference in either direction. Type another comma and enter 3 for the type argument. Type 3 uses the unequal variance version, which is a safe default when the two groups might not have the same variability. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. You'll see a decimal between 0 and 1. 1. That's your p-value. Here's the simple rule of thumb. If your p-value is less than 0.05, your results are considered statistically significant. That means the difference you're seeing is unlikely to be due to chance. And you've probably found a real pattern. If it's higher than 0.05, the difference might just be a coincidence, and you should be cautious about drawing conclusions. A few quick tips to read this correctly. Two-tailed is the right choice when you care about any difference, not just whether one version is higher. Using type 3 protects you when the two groups don't behave the same. And remember, a p-value tells you about evidence, not size. Small p-values don't mean the difference is big. They mean it's reliable. Stop guessing and start proving your data. Try this on your next test and make decisions with confidence. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets data hacks.